Bienvenidos a Besos de NYC. This is Patricia Wedding, supporting small businesses, artists, and entrepreneurs. Today, I am sharing with you a little view of what it's like of resilient and determined New Yorkers to survive not only this pandemic, but also the snowstorm that we just had. If you've ever been in New York and in a big city, the aftermath of a snowstorm is incredible. It's hard to get through, and I just admire these cyclists. I admire these individuals who trek through snow, rain, the heat, the cold, and now slush and snow to get you the best service when you order takeout. So when you're ordering takeout and having delivery service, remember, these are individuals who are risking their lives and working hard to bring you great service. And you in return are supporting them. So a couple of tips to make your support go a long way. Number one, make sure you call and order directly from the restaurant. Number two, when you're thinking of tipping, it's recommended that you tip about 20% up to even 50%. Your generosity will be incredibly appreciated. So I hope you're having a great holiday. And in the meantime, check out some of my other videos. Hit subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. So remember, tip nicely, support small businesses, enjoy with your family. Stay safe, happy holidays, and I hope to see you soon with more videos coming up. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Happy holidays. Besos de NYC. Bienvenidos a Besos de NYC. This is Patricia Wedding. I thought it was important to show you what New York is like during and after a snowstorm. Be mindful this season. Be mindful this season. When you're getting takeout, you're also supporting a small family-owned businesses. You're also supporting small family businesses, their employees, and their families.